The greater fool theory. We need to talk about this today. And this is a definition straight from Wikipedia. The greater fool theory. In finance and economics, the greater fool theory states that the price of an object is determined not by its intrinsic value, but rather by the local and relative demand of the specific consumer. In an inflated market, a consumer, despite having broader market knowledge, may pay an inflated price because of their needs and the local related market value. So what does that mean? That basically means that if there's a lot of demand for a thing, the price can go up so that it no longer reflects the value. So today I wanted to talk to you guys about price, value, and the greater fool theory. So let's start with price. Price is essentially the amount of currency units that you charge for a thing, right? And the price is based on the demand from outside forces, or in other words, other people that you're competing with for the same thing. So let's say that we've got 10 beachfront properties in whatever little micro market that we're talking about. The price of those beachfront properties is going to be based on, assuming that they're the most desirable properties, the 10 highest bidders. So it doesn't matter how many currency units you print, doesn't matter what amount of currency units are, the person who has the most value or the most currency or the most whatever you're using to buy things with, the most things to barter with, whoever has the most, those 10 people are going to have the beachfront properties. So by printing more currency units into existence, that doesn't change what the reality is of getting those beachfront properties. The 10 people that bid the highest are going to have those beachfront properties. So that is the price. The price is determined by the demand. So the prices can change. The prices are very fluid. The value is something entirely different. So let's talk about the value. The value of those houses is you get to live in them. The value is that you can rent them out to the 10 highest bidders. That is the value of that property. Or let's talk about the value of a business. The value of a business is the sales that they actually do. Let's say that you've got a widget factory. The value of that widget factory is not even the amount of money that they're making, because that's just currency units. Once again, that's price, right? The value of that widget factory is that they produce 10 widgets a day. Let's just say, let's keep with this 10 theme. The value of that widget factory is it produces 10 widgets a day, and you can charge whatever the going price is for those widgets. So the value of the business is what they actually sell, right? The greater fool theory, we're coming back to this, circling back to this, should be a quick video. The greater fool theory states that you're willing to buy anything. It could be a business, it could be a house. We see stocks going up, we see the value of real estate going up, because we think that there will be a greater fool who comes in and buys that property, that business, that Dogecoin, that Bitcoin, that whatever. Right now, let's say gold or something. Gold has value in the sense that you can use it for jewelry, you can use it in electronics. Bitcoin is being accepted by certain businesses, but right now it doesn't have nearly as much value. And the amount that it's going up per day, it could be justified in the long run, but I just want people to be very careful. And just for full disclosure, I am actually long in Bitcoin, but I'm hearing a lot of people say, oh, it's going to keep on going up. It's going to keep on going up. I just want to caution people that you don't know that for sure. What you're applying is the greater fool theory. So we don't know if the price is going to continue to go up for something. We do know what the value is. And when the price and the value start to get disconnected, we start to get into greater fool territory. There have been plenty of historic examples of that throughout history, such as the tulip bulb bubble, which, for example, it was a way back historical example of the tulip bulb bubble was where people were buying these tulip bulbs, which we know today to be ridiculous. But if you would have taken the profit potential and you would have been there when they were bidding these tulip bulbs up, you would have thought, hey, it might be a good idea to buy these tulip bulbs. But I'm not saying, once again, I'm not saying that Bitcoin is valueless, because that's not my opinion. I really hope that it takes down fiat currency. However, what I will say is that when you've got these businesses going way up in price, when you've got these coins going way up in price, for no other reason other than the fact that people think that it will sell for more tomorrow, right? And some people do believe in Bitcoin. I'm one of those believers. I really hope that it works out. However, we can't just sit here and say the price is going to keep on going up. For what reason? And the only reason is because somebody's willing to pay more for it tomorrow. So hopefully we understand that. I hope that this reaches people before they get into some speculative mania. As we keep on printing more money, there's going to be more speculation. People are going to be pushed further out the risk curve so that they can get any yield as interest rates stay low. So hopefully you guys are staying safe out there, buying businesses that have actual value, that actually sell products, that aren't just based off a picture. Not naming any names, Nicola. But anyways, I was told by somebody recently, and I'm going to close out the video with this, to start a Discord. As I start to inch up towards 10K, I'm thinking about doing a Discord. So maybe I'll start that soon. Maybe we'll have a Discord going, and I'm also thinking about starting up live streaming. So if you guys want to see a Discord, you guys want to see live streaming, comment down below, let me know. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Join the Facebook if you haven't already. I'm going to start posting more in there. There's a lot of things that I see out there in the finance world that I don't have time to make a video about, but I do want you guys to see it. So if you want to talk to me in there, there'll be a Facebook. Probably around 10K, I'll do a Discord, and I'll probably start live streaming. Additionally, I think I want to start a fitness channel at some point. I've been saying this for a while, but I'm thinking around 10K, once I have an actual following, that might be a time to actually start looking into that. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video.
Nice working with you, Mario.